Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Peacock subscriber looking to update your payment method in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you're switching credit cards, adding a new payment option, or just making sure everything's up to date, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's super straightforward, and by the end, you'll be all set without any hassle. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Peacock account. You can do this on the Peacock website or through the app on your phone, tablet, or smart TV. Once you're in, head over to your account settings. Look for the profile icon or menu button, usually in the top right corner, and click on Account or Settings. Next, scroll down until you find the Subscription or Payment Methods section. This is where Peacock stores your billing info. Click on it, and you'll see your current payment method listed. To change it, select the option that says something like Update Payment Method or Manage Payments. Now, here's where it gets easy. You'll be prompted to enter your new payment details. This could be a new credit card number, debit card, or even a different payment service like PayPal, depending on what's available in 2025. Double-check everything for accuracy. Make sure the card expiration date and security code are correct to avoid any errors. After you've entered the new info, hit Save or Confirm. Peacock might ask you to verify the change, so keep an eye out for a confirmation email or a quick authentication step. Once that's done, your payment method is updated. You can test it by making a small purchase or just waiting for your next billing cycle. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, try clearing your browser cache or updating the app. Peacock's interface might have slight changes in 2025, so if things look different, don't panic. Just look for the payment settings. There you have it, folks. Changing your payment method on Peacock is a breeze and keeps your account secure. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.